So these estuarine systems, this nice estuary, Bolinas Lagoon here, with way over there in the distance is where it feeds to the ocean. But here we are up close in our salt marsh with the mud flats in the distance. But these are incredibly productive systems. They're productive because they're detritus based, and all this decaying material, leaves and plants and other materials flow into it and have a lot of decaying matter, detritus, to feed those organisms out in the mud flat. But a lot of that productivity comes from this marsh right here itself, with all the plants producing. But also, if we look a little bit closer down here at the mud, on the surface of the mud, we also have, and actually on the base of these plants, we have cyanobacteria and diatoms living on them. So not only are the plants providing productivity, but also all of these primary producers, like cyanobacteria and diatoms, and even green algae living on the surface of the mud, provide lots and lots of productivity to this system. Here is some of that close-up productivity that I was talking about. If we look at the surface here, we can see it's covered in this film of algae. It's covered in film of algae, nice and green, but also diatoms and cyanobacteria. So our productivity in the system comes from like a blue-green algae, cyanobacteria, green algae, and diatoms, that then basically, as the water washes in and out, provides that productivity for our estuarine system.